Uber Freight Review. Is this moving app worth it? So what is Uber Freight? Uber Freight is an app designed to simplify shipping and logistics. But is it actually worth using? Uber Freight is a platform that connects shippers with carriers. Basically, it's like Uber for trucks. Businesses post loads, truckers pick them up through the app, and everything from booking to payment is handled digitally. It's available in the US and parts of Europe, and is aimed at both small businesses and enterprise-level shippers. Here's what makes Uber Freight stand out. Instant load booking for carriers, real-time pricing and tracking, upfront transparent fees, and fast payouts, often within 7 days, and a sleek mobile and desktop experience for managing shipments. It also integrates with existing supply chain software if you're a bigger operation. So what's great? It's incredibly easy to use, great for independent drivers and small fleets. Transparent pricing helps avoid surprises. But there are some downsides. Load availability might vary by region. Some carriers say the rates aren't always competitive compared to brokers. So is Uber Freight worth it? For independent drivers and businesses that need a fast digital way to ship goods, yes, it's a modern, no-hassle solution. Just know it may not always beat traditional brokers on price. And that has been an honest review of Uber Freight.